Hi everybody, it's Lynne Forsythe here, and oh boy did I have fun with this one. We, as the gel press design team, got to pick some treasures from Marabu, and I chose to use their art sprays. And this is an acrylic spray that is fantabulous. It's awesome. And the part that I love the most about it is that it's light fast and waterproof. So this stuff isn't going to fade away when it gets in the sun. So here I am using 4 different Marabu art sprays. And I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing these right. Gentian, Petrol, Raspberry, and Augergine. Okay, I'm hoping I did that right. I also am using the Crafters Workshop Fantastical Stencil. Oh, okay, this is my new favorite, most loved stencil. And I'm also using some ArtFoamies. Sadly, the one that I chose to use is no longer in production. And right here, you'll see that I'm working with the Crafters Workshop Fantastical Stencil. And you never want to waste any of the spray that you have. And as you saw, I flipped it over and have placed it onto a plain sheet of paper so that I'm getting the most that I can get out of these sprays. Doing it in any way, shape, or form, whatever way my mind could come up with. From stamping into the spray, using the white paint on the ArtFoamy, or whether I am putting down a stencil and spraying through the stencil, or if I'm just laying a stencil down on top and making pulls. It was a fabulous, fun, amazing journey. Here you can see I'm using that ArtFoamy and stamping off on another sheet of paper. Don't waste your spray. Very, very important. See, do you see that? See that? See that print that I got just from the excess color that was left on that Crafters Workshop stencil. And once again, just spraying and pulling and you name it, and I was doing it, having an absolute blast playing with my Marabu art sprays. Now, this pull that I'm doing right here, I really kind of wanted that paper to sit on there for a little bit and really get its teeth into the paint, the art spray paint that was on my gel press. I even got super creative and decided to even just stamp on the back of the paper while it was on the gel press. And here you can see, oh, look at that. So here you got a quick overview. Here I am pulling that stencil off. Whoop! Love that look. Quick little tidbit, be careful how you stack your prints on top of each other. They can stick together. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a creative day. Bye!